your bag and take out everything on your, from your bag, the tool bag.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. John will put his bag in last since he's getting dropped off first.
Sounds good.
Alright.
Everything's in?
No, now we can put John's bag in.
I take it.
Okay, let's put that.
Thank you,
his
Harry.
bag is going first when we have to go to a different terminal.
Okay. Like that.
All right, everybody in the car, and we're off.
Can I put this on the top over there?
Yeah. Or even like right in here, there's a little pocket or something. So that's fine.
It should work. If not, we press it hard. Yeah.
Now I have to slam it harder,
Harder?
please. Yes, just slam.
Okay.
Open it and slam it. Yeah, you got
There
it.
you go.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah, get rid of your
All right.
That'll be fine. That's awesome. I'm so glad that you enjoyed yourself. I'm glad everybody had a good time.
Yeah, really good time.
That means you guys are coming back, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
You sure you're all coming back now?
Everybody's coming back.
Yeah.
All right, good plan, good plan. How about you, Ellen?
I think I have no choice.
All right.